Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm doing a dreamy, ethereal makeup look. And if you want to know more about this, please keep on watching. To start off, make sure that your hands are clean and sanitized before doing makeup. So now as you can see, I'm putting a matte prep and prime primer, and also afterwards is the LA Girl Pro HD primer to prime and create a great base for her. Now as you can see, I'm putting a brow soap on her brows and thinning it to achieve that bushy brows. After finishing putting brow soap on her brows, I'm now filling in her brows with gloaming polish pomade in the shade of taupe. After filling in her brows, I'm just going back with my spoolie to maintain the bushy. Now I'm proceeding to her eyeshadow. I'm using the Deviant Senorita palette and also the Morphe 39L on her lid. After priming the lids, I'm now putting a warm tone of brown on her lid and blending it inward. I almost forgot, so now I'm putting the Inglot makeup mist to brighten and make a dewy finish on her base. Going back with her eyes, I'm now putting a shimmer shade on the inner part of the eyelids to have that very shiny and very fresh eyeshadow look. And now I'm slowly building up her eyeshadow by putting a deeper brown tone on the outer perimeter of the eye. So now as you can see, I put the eyeliner off cam and now I'm proceeding to the other eye. So now I'm just repeating the same steps that I did on the other eye, and don't forget to continue blending.
No place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need.
So now I'm just doing the eyeliner on the other eye as well, and just continue doing it slowly but surely. After that, I'm going back to the brows. I'm using a brow pen to mimic the strands of the hair on her brow. After finishing her eyes and brows, I'm now proceeding to her face. I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay and also the Fit Me variant, mixing them together to get that full but luminous fit. Just continue blending. Please don't mind the red spots on my hands because my psoriasis is flaring up recently. It's not contagious anyway. And also I made sure that my hands are clean and everything is clean and sanitized. Don't forget to put foundation also on your neck so that it will have the same color as your face. So now as you can see, I'm color correcting the dark circles on her under eye before putting the concealer. For her concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light. To bronze her face, I'm using the Detail Face Palette. I believe that there are missing footages of this vlog, such as the putting of the cream blush and also the liquid contour. My apologies. For her cream blush, I used the Squad Cosmetics cream blush and also the LA Girl contour for her liquid contour. Going back to the powder bronzer, just continue blending it in.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay here, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be our best together.
So now I'm just using a translucent powder to set her face. After that, I'm putting a facial mist on her face to renew the glow from within. So now as you can see, I'm just adding details and glow on her eyeshadow. For her blush, I'm using the Tarte Face Palette and also the Shower Blush 3. For her highlighter, I'm using the Morphe 39L highlighter and also mixing it with the Curline Play to Slay highlighter. To finish up her look, I'm using the Ivana Alawi X Inglot lipstick. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.